Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix blink camera only recording 1 second, 5 second or for 20 seconds. So in order to fix it, you just have to follow these steps. You need to make sure that the blink companion app is updated to the latest software version. Try reconnecting and reinstalling the sync module and the camera and try again. You can even follow the steps and check out the screenshots mentioned on this page in order to reconfigure your sync module. This way your camera should record at least the default 5-second length of the clip. So if you are still not able to update the length or see the changes, do let us know. So you can even contact them by tagging them right here, or you just have to try to the steps that they have shown you on this page and see if the problem is fixed or still persist. If the problem still persists, then you can try to contact with the blink customer service, which in my opinion is one of the best methods. So you can go to blinkforhome.com and here you just have to hover over to get help and click on contact us. After that, you can either create a support ticket or you can even contact them on the given number on the support page. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.